This is how you do it. See you later, mate. Jesus. Going. So, bit of crazy action for you today. Look where I am. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Look at the views as well. I thought it was going to be a really crap day today, but it's just fantastic. So I'm on this, I'm on my little bullet. Still needs a clean, I've not cleaned it yet. But yeah, I'm on the bullet, as you can see. Got some snacks and I've got my cameras. I'm going to put my cameras on now. And we're going to see if we can get into any mischief. I've seen a road that was on my on one of my other vlogs. There was a road that I sent the drone up. And I'm not sure if I released that yet, but here's the footage now. So basically that road, which I, you know, I go up that way all the time, but there was this individual road that you can see on that footage that looks like a bit of a path or something, but it looks really interesting. So we're gonna take a head up there and have a look. So I'll see you on the bike. So yeah, let's enjoy these tracks, shall we? Hey up, what's this? Alright. You get all sorts around here. It's probably a bad time of the day actually, everybody finishing work and whatnot, so you don't want to be on the roads. And if you just want to come out for a bumble, this is ideal. And I'll always say it that just jump on this, and I don't need any more than 125cc. Hey up, settle there. Oh, it's a plane. I don't think you can see that. Look like a space shuttle then. I'm deluded. Yeah, it's stunning. When it's like this round here, it's absolutely stunning. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else but on this bike right now. I just love it. Very windy, so I am just hoping that you don't get the noise. It was nice. Someone just left the deck chair on the road. If it's still there on the way back, I might get that. Could do with one for camping. So I was going to try a different camera angle, but again, because I was that excited about getting out, I forgot my chest mount. Not good. Do you know, even though I know most of these roads now, I'm still hoping that them signs that say public bridle way mysteriously turn into byway. In fact, I might even come up with my pen to change it. Make sure and indicate. I indicate. But yeah, it's just like, if this had 4 legs, it's endless. But the byways, you have to seek them out, because they're sometimes restricted as well. Keep horses off grass. It doesn't say anything about little bullets though, does it? Somebody's pirate ship there. Hey, oh. You've all seen this before, I know, but you haven't seen that ship before, have you? Make sure to stay clear of that. But yeah, I just want to try this over the road. So we're gonna head down as if we were going to the normal spot, which I'll point out actually. But I just don't know what this path is. It doesn't look very wide. And what's this on the road? Oh, it's a cat. Don't even. Yeah. Get a lot of feral cats around here. I thought it was a chicken for a minute. Like I say, I'm deluded. I'm high on Bullet Hero because I love it. So I've done a few vlogs on the Kawasaki. Hope you've enjoyed them. I really enjoyed the camping trip with Motor Rev, so just use this opportunity to thank you guys. Make sure I don't miss my spot down here. Yeah, I just want to thank you guys, making us feel welcome, me and Fasty. It was brilliant, really was. And if you've never done anything like that before, you need to do it because it's really good. I know it's a bit daunting when you've got a lot of bikes, but if it's well organised, you know, Motor Rev's organised it really well. And Richie Vida, he does the same when he does ride outs, and you know, you don't get any idiots sort of overtaking and stuff like that. And I use the term idiot loosely because obviously some ride outs they allow that, and that's fine, but you know, it's nice that it accommodates everybody. Right, so I was going to go up here, I'm not going to go up here now. Oh no, it's not the one. I just want to see this track up here. Oh, why wouldn't I? I just saw it on the drone. I was actually sat. Is it further? Do you know what? I've lost my bearings now. Oh no, it's further down. So there's a bench down here on your left hand. I don't know why I'm shouting. I don't need to shout. But there's a bench down here on your left hand side, which we shall see in a minute. Yeah, with this car's parked up. And I've just sat there with the drone, taking the drone up, and to the right of me is where I normally go. Right, let's get it in the right gear. And there we go. So this is the road I normally go up, and I normally go up to the top there where that gate is, but I saw something else going up there. Now if I can't go up it, is that, no, that's not it. What was it? Oh, that's it there. No, there's just no way would I get this up there. That's a shame. See, the camera doesn't do it any justice, but that was very narrow and very very steep. And there's two things, I don't know if the Bullit would have got up there, which is a shame because I'd have liked to take it up there, but it's coming down as well because it's just gravel. You see all this shit on this here that's just gravel. So let's go up. Let's go up this way. So this is the normal way I'll go. And I haven't been up here for a while, so let's just do this. It's not very fast, guys, but you do get little guys coming down on, what's it, little guys, what am I about? You get guys coming down on trials bikes that outskill me any day. See, that's right, let's go up here. That's the one I need to go up. I don't fancy getting shitted up today either. I thought that'd be dry there, but let's go up here. Shit. It's really weird because you can feel that back end going. I don't want to end up down there, do I? I'm getting a bit cocky now. Calm it down. I'll have to bring my my Kawasaki up here now. That'd be a good thing to do, wouldn't it? I think that's that road. Here we are, on top of the world. So, takes it out of you a bit, that, doesn't it? Very windy now. Oh, just up on that. Yeah, I sent the drone. Let's have a look over here. I sent the drone down here. Over the top there. Amazing. And yeah, I've been here loads of times, but if you enjoy something, why not? Each ride's different. It's very windy. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that line. I don't know if it's there. I think that's that path But it's really see that on the drone. Right, let me just try something. Let's just go and have a look. Let's go and explore. Let's do a bit of a recce. I think bike will be alright here. Make sure to take my key with me. Right, let's get the let's go and have a look. Let's turn this one off. I'm going to use my other camera, but I've actually got my walking... Ah, there it is, look at that. Nah, there's just no way. She looked fine up there, look at her. Yeah, there's just no way to got up that. I haven't got enough power. Well, I probably haven't got enough torque. Quite torquey, but I think if I'd have stowed it, I'd have been in the shit. I'd have had to go all the way down the bottom again, but yeah, I'm glad I didn't do that. Let's just have a look, see what's up here. Someone else. Right. So this is the first time I've come up here. Alright, how you doing? You just gone through that puddle down there? Yeah, yeah. I take it this don't go any higher up here then, it's just this is it, this is top, innit?
If you follow that, I wouldn't want to dry ride up there, but
No.
you come down this bit.
No, not sitting down there.
No, don't go that way.
I'm going to say I'm not going to go down. I've got a camera on, you alright with that?
Come up it.
I've got a YouTube channel, you see, that's all.
If you come down there,
Yeah.
and then if you follow it round, it takes you all the way to that massive pole that
Oh, yeah.
takes you there, and it takes you all down Green Lane route.
Yeah, I've done, you know that, I've come down from that road and it's right on the bend and I've done the whole lot of that and brought you back at Digley Reservoir.
You're up there, that little path, man.
Yeah. Well, I sent the drone up here the other day and I just flew over here and I saw that path. So I just thought I'd just come up and check it out. I've been up here a few times on here.
Have you just come up that one there?
No, I've come up that way.
You know, I've come up there, man. You're back end like this, all the way up, man.
What's that? Is that 250 that?
300.
300. This is only a 125.
Is it?
Yeah. But
300, man.
I've got a Kawasaki 1000 like road bike, but I just wanted something for these lanes because I only live over the top.
It's alright there, we only live over
Yeah.
there,
But you know when it's like this.
We've had super bikes and that, but these, man, from here, it's just something different.
Yeah. I've got me. I just bring a sandwich and that, and I'll just. There's a bench up there. Have you seen that bench?
Yeah.
And I'll just sit on there. But no, it's nice. Yeah, but I've done a lot of them up there.
Yeah, where's that? Where did we come from yesterday, John?
We come all the way out, go through
Where's
Melt
that
and
path
stuff
that we
like
come
that.
up though, this one here?
Yeah.
It's steep. That. Did you get up that? Did you? Bloody hell.
I was right behind him though, so I couldn't put it into second.
Yeah.
Low wheel drive me, so pottering.
Yeah. You just got that danger of it like flipping, haven't you?
I could have probably got, you probably got up in third and that, but
Yeah.
pinning it, but it's just slipping, you don't want it to flip and that, you know what I mean?
Do you know that road there where there's a bridge there?
Yeah.
Is that private that?
That's someone's outside.
Is it?
Yeah, someone's
Fuck
out.
off.
That's the driveway.
Jesus.
Because that big man are there.
Yeah. Because I was I'd come on my Kawasaki and I saw it and I wanted to go over there and go over that bridge, but
Nice, wasn't it?
yeah.
Nice that.
I get out of it, mate.
No, it's a nice plot that.
It's nice round here for stuff like this.
Yeah, it is, yeah. And then there's that one, like, if you come out of here and go straight over, there's that bit there, isn't there?
Yeah, there's loads. We like going over to that, like home first, we ate home.
Yeah.
Follow it round with all that near that Digley Reservoir.
Yeah.
Stuff like that.
No, it's quite a long one, that, as well. It goes up onto the top, doesn't it? Yeah. I'm an amateur when it comes to, like, off-roading, but I just like...
Start somewhere, though,
Yeah. I just love these tracks, but that's why I bought it. I'm going to...
I don't do jumps like that.
No.
Blasting.
Yeah. I mean, it's shit on the road because these knobblies.
Knobblies on mine, yeah. Gone already.
Yeah. They don't last very long, do they?
Bits, mate.
No.
Absolutely rips them to bits.
Yeah. No, they're shit. Mind you, yours are like really knobbly, aren't they?
I've
Worse than them.
done it three, 4 times since I've had a brand new back tyre on.
Yeah.
They're gone already, man.
No, just stick.
Hard, man, just choose them.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. And when you get on it in the rain as well, in the wet.
Oh, the first time I got it, I was going down in the limp rain. I didn't wobble or rope, just riding straight, boom, straight off me.
Yeah, did you?
Road, man.
Bloody hell.
Straight, as soon as I got it as well, smashed all my eyebrow and everything.
Yeah. Right.
What do you do then? Just video yourself, post them on YouTube?
Yeah, I've just got. It's called Crazy Legs on a Bike.
Crazy legs on a bike.
Yeah, and I just do like motor vlogging. Like I'll do a couple. I went to Wales last week on Kawasaki. Right. What are you going back down this way?
Yeah, we'll probably go back down. Do you want to go here? Can do.
Go on, I'm going to watch you go down there. I want to watch you go down. I'm going to film it. See how the experts do it. Nice to meet you, lads. Anyway. All right, buddy. This is how you do it. See you later, mate. Jesus. There's just no way I would do that. Bloody hell. That is some serious shit, that. Oh my word. I love it, it's brilliant. Look how he's controlling that bike though. Oh, he's sliding now, look. Yeah, that's a problem. Hey, he's done it. Nice one. Yeah, there's just no way. The camera doesn't do it any justice. Sound. Yeah. Brilliant. See you later. Awesome. Good timing that, wasn't it? Didn't see me do it, but you seen somebody else do it. Awesome. See, this guy, he just stood up. Oh mate, I can't believe he's just gone down there, because this here, see, this is like really steep. But yeah, he's just nailed. They've obviously just gone through that puddle there. That's why they were piss wet through. But look at me, I'm like a flipping 2-year-old on a little one of them 3-wheeler trike things. Learning how to ride.
Hear the birds and see the sun.
Thing is, if you don't, them boys probably do it all the time.
All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon.
Well, that were a lot of fun, that. Proper enjoyed that. Just gonna head back this way, back home. Pretty much the way we came, to be fair. This bike would be absolutely awesome around Wales or around Scotland. But obviously I need a van. Won't be able to ride up there on it. That'd be an adventure on its own, wouldn't it? I don't even think about it because I ain't even going to go there. No chance. Hope you've enjoyed this one, guys. I certainly have. Nearly fell off then. Bit of a camber there, let's put my foot down. If you've enjoyed it, please subscribe. Give me a like, give me a dislike, give me a dislike, give me a comment why. All helps the channel, as per my previous rant. So yeah. But remember, guys, remember, every day is an adventure. Crazy out.